Alright, so here's a wedding anniversary gift to me from my husband. I have no idea what it is, so let's open it together. I already took out the card, but here's a little card that he had written for me. Just comes with it. Put that to the side. And then they included a little perfume sample. Cute. I've never smelled actually Tiffany perfume before. A little baggie. Yep. And here's the box. So I love unboxings. Such a pretty package. I love it. Okay, so let's pull the ribbon. Da, da, da. And then do. Actually, let's do that there. What's this? It's nice, soft, chocolate brown case. How do you open this? And like I said, I have no idea what this is. My husband just surprised me by putting this next to our bed this morning. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. How do I take this off? Rose gold bracelet. Okay, how do you take this off? Okay, let's see. Guess you kind of go like this. You just take it off like this. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on my wrist. Ooh. So dainty, so perfect. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching.